Let's move on to another chapter, that is new chapter, that is electrochemistry. See, name only indicates electrochemistry, that is production of electricity from chemistry. Chemistry means chemical reaction. So electrochemistry means production of electricity from chemical reaction. So electrochemistry is the study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reaction. What is the spontaneous chemical reaction means? Spontaneous means spontaneous chemical reaction means reaction which takes place on its own without need of any external help. That is spontaneous chemical reaction. Without any external help, the reaction automatically it will go. Such reactions are called spontaneous chemical reaction. So what electrochemistry is? It is study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reaction. And see, look at this name only other way. Chemistry from electro, yeah, that is electricity, that is chemical reaction from electricity. That is what I am trying to tell is it also deals with the use of electric energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformation. See, electrochemistry also deals with by using electric energy bringing non-spontaneous chemical reaction. See here, non-spontaneous chemical reaction means the reaction which needs some external help to take place the reaction. That external help is electrical energy. That electrical energy will help to reaction to carry out. That is non-spontaneous chemical reaction. So electrochemistry is study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reaction. In the end, it also use of electric energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformation. Let's understand more clearly this one by through an example. See, this is a galvanic cell. In this, what we do is we take a beaker and there we take a solution of copper. See, this is solution of zinc sulfate. In that we put a zinc rod, and we will take one more beaker. In that we will take copper sulfate. In that we will dip copper rod, and we connect these two rods through an external circuit. This is external circuit and this is internal circuit. You will study more clearly about this one only. This electrochemistry chapter is there. You will study more clearly about this in the next video. Just understand now what is electricity, how it will produce. See, this is circuit. See what reaction will goes when you dip this zinc electrode in zinc sulfate solution. This zinc electrode will convert into Zn plus 2 ions and 2 electrons are liberated. See, these 2 electrons will pass through this external circuit, and these 2 electrons will captured by this copper electrode. See, Cu plus 2 electron gives Cu. This copper electrode will capture those 2 electrons. So electrons are moving through external circuit. When electrons move, electricity will producing, so bulb will glow. That's the meaning. This is chemical reaction. From this chemical reaction, electrons are moving, electricity is producing, bulb is glowing. That's what we are going to study in this electrochemistry. See a video, you will understand how electrons will be moving. Actually, we will take this zinc sulfate solution and we will put zinc rod, and we will take copper sulfate solution and we put copper rod. and we will connect this to an external circuit. Here external circuit is completed and we will put some internal circuit. See, when as soon as you put, there is current, bulb is glowing. See what actually reaction is going on. See, Zn is converting into Zn plus 2 ions and 2 electrons are liberating. These electrons move through external circuit. See there, electrons are moving through external circuit and those electrons will be absorbed by this copper electrode. See, copper electrode, those two electrons will combine with copper. So external circuit is completing. See, electrons are liberating, electrons are going, and those two electrons are combined with copper. So only electricity is producing. See, like that electricity will produce. See now, what other thing is, by using this electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformation. See, this is here, this producing of Zn from Zn plus 2 and 2 electrons, and this Cu plus 2 and 2 electron taking and forming Cu. This is spontaneous reaction. If you take this reverse of this reaction, that is producing from electrons from copper. See here, copper will always absorb. This is spontaneous reaction. Producing electricity from copper is non-spontaneous reaction, and absorbing electrons from this zinc is non-spontaneous reaction. See, to carry out reverse of these reaction, we need some external energy, that is electrical energy we use here. So carrying this non-spontaneous reaction by using of this electrical energy, this also we study in this electrochemistry. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.